Start by bringing your feet parallel over your partner's hips, the balls of the feet more or less over the hip bones. Make sure the feet are close enough so that your hands can touch, and then keep your whole back, shoulders on the ground. Lift up the arms in a straight line. Receive her hands, fingers to the outsides, not gripping her hands. And then on 1, 2, and 3, press legs straight so that her hips are directly over my hips. Find the right balance before slowly getting lighter onto her fingertips until she can slowly come out. Make sure her core is in, feet together and up, chest up. Bird to free bird.